picture carefully. Okay? It contains so many nouns. What's our job? We have to find all those nouns and put a circle around it. Okay? So let's observe this picture carefully. So what do we see? Can you name some nouns? What do you see here? Yes, birds, pigeon. Absolutely right. Birds, pigeon will come under the category of animal noun. So let's circle it. Very good. What's next? Cat. Yes. Meow meow. Cat. Absolutely right. Cat will come under the category of animal noun. Very nice. Okay, what's next? Old uncle. Old man. Grandfather. Absolutely correct. So the grandfather will come under the category of person noun. Good. What else? What else can you see? Shop. Yes. It's a vegetable shop. Where can you find a vegetable shop? In the market. So we go to the market to buy some vegetables. So market itself is a place noun. Amazing. Very good observation skills you guys have. What next? Bag. Yes. Which bag? Which bag are you trying to point out? Brown bag. Okay. Vegetable bag. Absolutely correct. So this man is having a sling bag as well as a vegetable bag in his hand. So both of them comes under the thing category. Very nice. You are quite thorough with the concept of nouns. Good job. What else? Grandmother, old lady. Yes, that's a noun, a person noun. Hat. Yes. Auntie is wearing a hat. That's a thing noun. Very nice. Dog. Yes. Animal noun. Dog will come under the category of animal noun. Very nice. What else? Tomatoes. Yes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes will come under which category? Thing category. We can hold tomato, we can eat it, we can see it, we can use it to cook. Right? Good job. Next. Baby. Yes. Good observation. Baby will come under the category of person noun. Very nice. What else? Shed. Yes, there is a shed on the top of the shop. That's also a thing noun. Very good, guys. What else? Shoes. Yes, everybody's wearing shoe. Yes, that's also a noun. Wow, guys. Did you notice almost each and everything in this picture seems like a noun to us? The only thing is that it is categorized differently. Some comes under the person noun, some comes under the animal noun, thing noun, or a place noun. But all of these things around us are nouns. Why? Because they have a name to be referred. We can refer these things and they have a name. That's why it's a noun. Wow, guys, since you have such a good observation skill, so I need your help in one more thing. What's that? Let me tell you. You have to act like a detective and help me to find out the nouns again, but this time you have to find the nouns in the sentences. So what we'll do, so we will read each and every sentence and we will circle all the nouns that we can find. Okay? Let's start. So the first sentence we have is the cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Can you tell me the noun here? Yes, cat is a noun. What kind of noun? Animal noun. So cat is a noun. Okay, so the cat is sleeping. What is sleeping? Is it a noun or not? No, sleeping is an action. वो sleep कर रही है, right? वो कुछ कर रही है. So it's not a noun, it's an action. So here, sleeping is an action, not a noun. क्या sleeping कोई person है? कोई थिंग है जिसे हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं? क्या कोई एनिमल है? क्या कोई प्लेस है जहां हम जाते हैं? No, it's an action जो हम करते हैं. So here sleeping is not a noun. It's an action word and we will not circle it. Okay? So the only noun in this sentence is cat. Okay? The next sentence we have is Ria is going to the school. Ria is going to the school. So can you tell me what are the nouns here? Yes, Ria is the name of a girl. So Ria is a girl. It's a person. So Ria is a person noun. So let's circle it. What else? Do you think there is any other noun here? Yes, school. School is a place. Ria kahan ja rahi hai? She's going somewhere. She's going to the school. So school is a place noun. So let's circle school as well. So in this sentence, we have two nouns. Ria, person noun. School, place noun. Very nice. Okay, let's quickly move to our third sentence. The boy kicks the ball. The boy kicks the ball. Can you tell me, do we have any noun here? Yes, boy. Boy is a person. So boy is a noun. Kicks the ball. Any other noun? Yes, ball. Boy ने क्या किया? Boy kicked the ball, right? So ball is something with which the boy was playing. We can hold the ball. We can see the ball. We can use it to play, right? So here, ball is a thing noun, okay? So let's circle ball as well. Okay, let me ask one more question here. What is kicks? The boy kicks the ball. What is kicks? Marna, right? Kicks is marna. But क्या kick noun है? No. Kick is an action that the boy is doing. Boy ने kick किया. क्या किया? Kick किया. So here, kick is an action, not a noun. Very good. Okay, so the next sentence we have is the monkey jumps on the bed. The monkey jumps on the bed. Can you tell me the nouns here? Monkey. Yes, monkey is an animal noun. What else? Monkey jumps on the bed. Bed. Yes, bed is a thing noun. Very good. What else? Do we have any other noun here? Okay, what about jumps? Jumps. What is that? Jumps is an action word. Monkey क्या कर रहा है? The monkey is jumping. What is the monkey doing? Jumping. So jumping is an action word. It is not a noun. Very good, guys. So here we have only two nouns, monkey and bed. Okay? Very good. Okay, so the last sentence we have is Papa drinks milk in the park. Can you tell me the nouns here? Papa, yes, Papa is a person noun. What else? Papa drinks milk in the park. Milk, yes, milk. Milk is something we can drink, right? We can hold, we can see. So it's a thing noun. Papa is a person noun. Milk is a thing noun. What else? Papa drinks milk in the park. Park. कहाँ पे पी रहे हैं पापा मिल्क? पापा कहाँ गए मिल्क पीने के लिए? पार्क में गए. Park क्या है? It's a place noun. So this sentence has 3 nouns. Very good, guys. You guys are awesome. So good. So always remember, name of any person, place, animal, thing is considered as a noun. There will be some words which will help you to form the sentence, to make the sense out of it. But it's not necessary that all the words are noun. So be very careful whenever you're trying to find the nouns, okay? Great job, guys. We'll meet soon in my next video, okay? Bye.